Today on Action RC, I bring Riley to the channel. And Riley, what do you got going on for us?
We got the Motion RC F-14 80mm, twin 80mm F-14 Tomcat.
Brand new.
Brand new, just got out of the box this morning, set it up. Took a little longer than I hoped though, but I finally got everything, all the kinks set up, and we're about to go for the maiden flight of this massive model.
Awesome, so we're gonna have the Maiden, that's gonna be coming up here real soon. What batteries are you using in here?
So I'm using two 6S 4,000 milliamp batteries. So a total of 12 cells in this aircraft. Huge power pack. I'm hoping for the first flight 2 minutes 30 seconds, but I have heard I can get up to 6 minutes on this battery pack if I be a little bit kinder with the throttle.
Okay, speaking of the throttle, how much are you gonna use while flying? Are you gonna go full throttle the whole time?
Today,
or try to manage it?
So today I'm gonna go as much speed as possible, not, you know, Fast and Furious speed, Need for Speed, but just keep it in the air and feel comfortable in the air with the first flight. I won't be bringing the wings back today just because I want to feel comfortable with the aircraft in the stock position. Once later after that, then I can be a little bit more adventurous with speed and all that and aerobatics with this aircraft. But today is just first out of the box, get up in the air, make sure it flies. This
is a big EDF jet. It looks really nice. What transmitter and receiver are you going to be using in this?
So I have the, I think, DX6. It's an older transmitter, and I've just used a receiver that I found in my house. So it's a 6-channel receiver. I just slapped it in there, and hopefully that works. I don't really know the specs of it personally because I'm not that big with that technology just yet, but hopefully it will work.
All right, nice. So this is the twin 80mm version of this one right here. Okay, and how long did it take for you to get it out of the box and set up ready to go? So
I got this, it arrived at my house about 1 o'clock p.m. yesterday. I had about 3 hours of setting it up at home. Came to the field, had a little issue, that was my fault, but had to reset that up again. It took me about another 2 hours to set that up, and it's been about 3 hours now of me just walking around waiting to get the courage to fly this thing.
All right, well listen, good luck on your Maiden, and here comes the video.